Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Passat headlight. Start by opening the hood and locating fasteners around the headlight assembly, then remove the screws and clips in order. Carefully pull the bumper or trim aside if needed to access hidden bolts without forcing plastic tabs. Unplug the headlight connector and any bulb sockets, then lift the assembly free, keeping track of all fasteners for reinstallation later. Begin by loosening the visible screws and clips at the top of the headlight, then move to the inner fender area to access side fasteners. Use a trim tool to pry plastic clips gently and a socket to remove bolts behind the bumper or wheel well. When only a couple fasteners remain, support the headlight with one hand and remove bolts with the other to prevent damage and make unplugging the wiring simpler and safer. Once the assembly is free, reach behind to access bulbs and wiring, labeling connectors with tape for easy reference during reassembly. Remove bulbs by twisting or unclipping as appropriate, taking care not to touch halogen glass with your fingers to avoid hot spots. Check connectors for corrosion, clean contacts, and replace broken clips. Then test the wiring with the battery reconnected briefly to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.